going really good. I got engaged.
That's
Just
good.
maybe like a week ago, and we plan on getting married next summer. It's going very good.
How's that college debt going? Did you find a job yet?
No, like I said, we just moved here, so I'm looking for a new job, and it's not going very well. I'm definitely looking for a new job.
You know, my place is hiring. Maybe you should apply for it.
I definitely will. I am looking for a new job, so if your job is likable, I will definitely try it.
Okay. Hey, Emily. I'm very happy with all the work you've done for this job. I was wondering if you'd like to take a new promotion.
Yes. Where would this promotion be? Would I have
This
to move?
promotion, you would have to move halfway across the state, but you would get twice the amount of money that you're making right now.
Okay, I will definitely think about it. I'll go over it with my fiance and everything, and I'll definitely let you know in a couple days.
Okay, sounds good.
Hey, so I got a promotion for my job, but it requires to move all the way up north. Oh, so you got a promotion too, right? Yeah. Okay. My job pays more than it is now, so I think I'm gonna accept it. So you're accepting yours too? Okay. I guess I'll talk about it more when I get home. Okay, bye.
So, how are you liking your new promotion?
It's good. I like the environment. I like the area of it, and I like the pay. It's definitely better than my other one. And my relationship is very good too. We're still getting married next summer, even though he's working down south more. We kind of live in between both areas, so we're making it work.
Well, that's good. That's good that you guys are making it work. Let's definitely get it together again sometime in the future.
Yeah, no, definitely.
Yeah. Hey, Emily. So, how is your promotion going?
It's okay. I like the environment. I like the job. I like the money and everything. But my relationship is kind of on a thread right now.
Ooh.
Yeah. Just because he lives way far south and I live way up north, he works down south. We just kind of lost touch.
Ooh.
And it's more of my fault because I can't handle a long relationship. So I kind of just isolated myself to myself. But I think I should focus on me, and I'm kind of young still. So.
Oh yeah. Make that bank first.
Yeah, I'm making the bank.
Hey, Emily, long time no see. How are you doing?
I'm doing very good. I actually settled down again. Well, not again, but I had kids. One's a boy and one's a girl.
Ooh.
We just got a house in between Milwaukee and Green Bay or wherever, and it's going good. The job that you got me I'm still with it.
Oh, that's good.
It's still making me bank, everything, and my life's pretty good.
Well, that's good. Well, you know, I just got an imaginary boyfriend. I think you and your husband should meet him.
Yes, I definitely would love to. I'll get a babysitter for the kids.
Okay, double date.
Double date. We can do that.
Hey, Emily, so how's life? We haven't seen each other in a long time.
My job's going good, but my relationship is not very good.
Oh, so you guys aren't together anymore?
No. We kind of we lost touch, so we just kind of had a divorce, or not a divorce, we just separated. Kind of took off the engagement.
Maybe you should join a double date with me and my new boyfriend.
Well, as I just said, I'm not engaged, I'm not anything. Like, you know how I feel. Like, I'm not gonna go on a double date. I'm not just gonna pick up somebody and go on a double date with you.
So are you getting mad at me?
Yes, I am, because you know how I feel. I don't have a boyfriend and you're asking me on a double date, you're talking about your boyfriend, you're talking about this and that. Like, that offends me.